Hi friends, today I show you SD parts. This is all of SD parts. See this. See this tank cover. Full all SD. Okay, this is tank sealed symbol SD symbol. This is petrol filter SD. This is rim drum cover M. This is a back rear footrest. This is tank pad, and this is brake shoe, very rear for SD. See this, front and back both full sets, and this is fittings for these parts. This is gear changer, kickers for inside parts in engine HD. This is clutch plate. This is SD clutch plates, not for original, but original is not available in market. I have some first quality. And this is tail light, not SD, but I modify and fit to SD. Like difference. This is RD tail light, bullet tail lights, both mix same. This is kicker and gear cover, both same. This is front mudguard. I will fit to vintage look. This plate specially available for only SDs. I will fit my SD. Okay, this is a capacitor in point inside for better current and power. Last I show you point. This is point for SD bike. See this point. Main parts of engine for vintage bike is this point. I putting all parts in my SD. I do my SD is modify that this all parts is want my bike. I will arrange many area, some Bangalore, some Rajasthan, some Nagpur, some Chennai. Just thank you friends. See, this parts is perfectly fit to bike my SD. Thank you friends.